Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, big old CoinsKid crew. So the bullish, I'm going to show you every single scenario here. This is what I do. Okay, it's all about support and resistance. Like I said to you, it's all about the closes. The closes give projections of downside or upside, whether or not you're losing support or breaking resistance. Okay, so like just down here, we've got this ascending level support, and you can clearly see we've got the ascending level support just there. So when we had this big pull and we came back down, we held this ascending level support, the XRP. It finds itself in him basically. So that's the bullish scenario, the fact that you're slowly but surely coming up the stairs like this, okay, and you know you've got this massive potential huge bull pennant like this where you're getting really tight like that. But one thing we definitely want to see going forward obviously is the break of this white line, because like I said to you, if we break that white line, that's really strong for me. That's just a confirmation statement that you're looking impulsive off these lows, just like you looked impulsive off these lows when you broke this level of resistance, breaking out, falling back, see you later. Okay, so this is something I'm looking for to get really bullish about XRP going forward. The bearish scenario for me right now, because you can see you're holding this ascending level support, this is where you've got support here when we've had this crash this month. Okay, the bearish scenario is the fact if we start to see XRP getting really close to this apex of resistance, look at this leg of resistance and this leg of support, if we get really close here and we start to break and lose this red line as support, for me that would be really bearish for XRP, because it would indicate that what we've got here is some kind of dead cat bounce. That was a dead cat bounce to the previous bull market high, and you've potentially got some kind of big A, B, C wave correction, which is going to come down and sweep the 1 fib. Do you understand? Because at the minute, you know, the healthy thing for XRP is here that we've got this bear market bottom, okay, huge bear market, then we've got this impulsive wave and the corrective wave which is coming down. So you're currently retracing, but if you begin to retrace any deeper than certain levels of support in Fibonacci, okay, you begin to confirm a reversal wave basically. And a reversal wave, this is retracing, creating a reversal wave. Once you lose the 1 fib, boom, reversal wave complete. Okay, and you've got an impulsive move to the downside. That's how it all works. Okay, so the precursor and a big warning sign for XRP to be doing that would be if you start to lose this ascending level support which you've been holding since the March 2020 lows. Okay, so you're sort of coming up, holding this ascending level support, getting really close to this apex of this resistance and this support. So you can see, like I said to you, it's on a knife edge. You're getting really close in here. Now XRP has found support again, broken out, and you can see here on the monthly time frame you're currently holding that leg of support. So a little bit of confidence building up in XRP, but we definitely need to see the follow through on Bitcoin. Okay, we need to see Bitcoin just break back above, because Bitcoin could be on the cusp of a big bearish signal if it gets that monthly close and creates a death cross. Please check out today's Bitcoin video. So you know there's no guarantees to what any of these projects are going to do. It's all about support and resistance. That's something I've always relayed to you. You can have projections to the upside, you can have projections to the downside or whatever, but it's all about, you know, you're losing support, you're coming down, you're breaking resistance, you're going up obviously. But right now we've got a clear leg of resistance, and this is where we ran into, okay, and this is where we found support. So we've got this massive sort of channel just there, this big apex that we're getting really close to, that's going to get some kind of decisive break in my opinion. So is it coupled with the fact that we're looking bullish? We're looking like we've got this big massive bull pennant which is caught in this sort of compression pattern on the monthly time frame where we get really compressed. Like I said to you, look at the waves in between, they're getting shallower potentially. If this thing does start to come up, that's price compression leading to expansion. You're in a bullish sort of consolidation pattern potentially if you hold these lows consistently, where you break that red line, boom, see you later, and all you've done is come up, consolidate, and then break and continue. The bearish scenario, like I said to you, I'm going to show you both instances, is that this is an A, this is a B, and right now you're in this C leg coming down, retracing to the 1 fib, going to get all the closes down here, and boom, you're coming down. If you was to come down, there is reasons why you would come down. Okay, I'm going to show you everything. It's because on the way up you melted that high without backtesting it as resistance, support, sorry. So that's always on the radar, and you can clearly see that that's a 1.272 fib at 0.450. So if Bitcoin, okay, remember it is all about Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is on the cusp of a major crash, and the crypto markets are on the cusp of a major crash, and we do start to close below this red line, and we do start to fall through these fibs, okay, and this isn't impulsive, this isn't corrective, and we're looking for another impulsive drive. If that is the scenario, then I would be projecting a loss of the 1 fib and a lovely little, you know, rebuy zone down there, 1.272 at 0.450, which sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But for me, I think that if that was to come, you would confirm this big ABC correction, okay, and when you start to zoom out, you can clearly see that what you've got potentially is some kind of 1, 2, 3, this was a 4, and then you're looking at a 5 like that, and you've just got this big sort of macro sort of move that XRP's in, and it will just be opportunity going forward. Okay, so I understand the update. I can't guarantee what XRP is going to do. It's all about support and resistance. So if we start to see the loss of this red line, you're doing something that you've not done. You're losing structure. Okay, you're losing support and ascending level support over a long period of time. If you break this white line, super bullish. I think you've got resistance on this trend line wherever it is. Okay, and you're sort of compressing in this big compression pattern, potential bull pennant on the monthly time frame, which is super bullish, because once you break that red line, you've got an impulsive move which will take out that high. Okay, and then your big correction is in here, and this impulsive like that. Okay, going up the stairs. That's what we all want, you know, big impulsive move to the upside, isn't it? But please fear not. You know, one thing that we've got here is time. If this thing does break down and we do go to the 1272, I think it will be an opportunity, okay, to ride this thing up if it does do that eventually on the other side, basically, for XRP. So you enjoyed that update. You know, bearish or bullish, it's crypto, it's volatile, as your pants down. You know, take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.